my dear children. All of you will come back to our English class. You have met a farmer, a postman, and a postmaster in the story Letter to God. Now let's read a song and find out what the people of the town do. This poem will give you the idea that all professions are noble and worthy. All the professions are great and worthy. All of you look at the screen, my dear children. I'll read the poem for you. People in my town. People in my town. I see a firefighter fighting fires. Here mentioned the profession firefighter. I see a car mechanic changing tires. Car mechanic. I see a pilot flying through the air. Pilot. I see a barber cutting people's hair. I see the people in my town and I say, "Hey brother, what's going on? Hey brother, what's happening here? What's going on?" I see a postman with the mail. Postman. I see a policeman putting folk in jail. I see a lifeguard at the swimming pool. I see the teachers at the local schools. I see the people in my town and I say, "Hey brother, what's going on?" Doctors, nurses, astronauts, judges, lawyers in the courts. I see an actor acting on the stage. I see a writer writing on page. I see a chef working in a restaurant. Chef. And a waiter asking what you want. I see the people in my town and I say, "Hey brother, what's going on?" Doctors, nurses, astronauts, judges, lawyers in the courts. I see the people in my town and I say, "Hey brother, what's going on?" I say, "Hey brother, what's going on?" So many professions are listed in this poem. Did you get all? What different occupations are mentioned in the song? All of you make a list of them. You can give a title, professions, different professions, and then you can list them one by one. And the next, what do you want to be when you grow up? What is your wish? Why? All of you write a paragraph about your wish. What do you want to be when you grow up? Write your wish in a paragraph and write the reason also. Now all of you look at the pictures, my dear children. Here also given the pictures of different professions, occupations. Okay, can you identify them? Now all of you look at this box. So many name of occupations are given in this box. All of you read it. Firefighter, mechanic, pilot, hairdresser, postman, policewoman, lifeguard, teacher, doctor, musician, astronaut, artist, lawyer, nurse, actor, writer, chef, waiter, dentist, and carpenter. All of you try to understand the name of occupation and write in the given box just below the picture. Okay? And the next activity 5. This is a simple activity. We need help from other people on different occasions. Okay, we will seek the help of other people on different occasions. Who will you approach on the following occasions? Here you have given some hints. All of you understand the occasion and write who will you approach on the occasions. Okay, the first one, you want to make a table. If you want to make a table, who will you approach? Yes, you will approach a carpenter. You will approach a carpenter. So all of you write there carpenter. Only you write there carpenter. And the next, you want to get your hair cut. Who will you approach? All of you write it there. You want to paint your house. When you are ill, when you are sick. Okay. When a thief breaks into your house. When a fire breaks out. When your bicycle needs repair. You want to change a water tap. All of you understand it and write who will you approach on these occasions. Now we will do some more activities of this unit. Editing. Page number 64 you can see editing. Here is a description of Lenjo's village. There are certain errors in it. They are underlined. Edit them. So simple. You have to edit the errors. The morning sun rose up in the sky. The snow covering the field slowly began to melt. Just listen the underlined word begin. What is the right word? All of you make it correct. Leaves of grass peeped in clear water. In clear water. Just make it correct. The branches on the trees was free of snow. Was. You can make it correct. The birds flew in and on the branches sat. All of you listen the order of the sentence, order of the words and make it correct. They dried their wing in the warm sun. Okay, so here wing is underlined. All of you make it correct and rewrite the sentence in the given space. Got it? And finally, our last work is here in page number 65. You can see an activity related to farming. Related to farming. You can see a word web related to farming. All of you first complete the word web. First one, crops. You can write the names of crops there. And the next, seasons. Okay, rainy season, cloudy season, you can write it there. And the next, tools used for farming. Okay, pickaxe and so many tools are using in the field of farming. All of you find it and write it there. And the next, working. Okay, reaping and then sowing. So many you have studied. All of you write the working of the farming. And after that, describe a farming activity that you have observed or heard of. You can hear how to do farming. How to do farming. Either you can write the farming activity that you have observed or you may be heard of. Okay. You may include the steps of farming and write a small description. Okay. Okay dears, so all of you try to understand all the activities by watching the video twice or thrice and do all the activities correctly. That's all my dear children. Wishing all of you a good day. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.